is Carl, and I've been working with Tim for many, many years. And this is my good friend Johnny here, and he's actually one of our best customers. He's a regular of this firm. And Johnny, you were looking for a very certain type of motorcycle.
Yeah.
What was it you wanted this time?
It's a Kawasaki from 1974. It's a 3-cylinder, 2-stroke, 750 cubic inch bike. And I had one of those when I was young.
Okay. You still look young, but what decade are we talking about here?
For me it was the 80s, but the bike is from 74.
Okay, so this actual bike is from 74.
Yeah.
Johnny was looking for a bike like this, and he's a very busy man. He's a manager of several and founder of several companies. So he didn't have the time, so he asked us to find this bike for him, which we have through a contact in England and the UK, and we've imported it for him. So we've taken care of all the administration, all the paperwork, and the bike arrived yesterday, and this is the first day that he had that time to visit us. So we are here to unbox the bike.
Yeah, it's like Christmas, early Christmas.
Early Christmas for you. Great, great. So let's see what we have here. We're gonna open up a bit. See, it's an amazing bike, and you know what I really like about this bike, Johnny? We imported it from England. Of course, it's a Japanese bike. We've imported it from England, and it is British Racing Green.
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Isn't it? You can get a shot from the front here, Tim. All right. Open it here. Here we go.
Wow.
The chrome looks nice.
Yeah. We're gonna open up the box a bit more. This is the bike as we see it, and we found this, as I said, in England, but it was imported from the United States to a firm, a renovation firm in England, and it's been completely gone through, refurbished in every way, and we checked this before we imported it. But of course, it is Johnny's bike, so we'll let him go through the details of the engine. He's a fan of the history of this bike. Shortly, I'd just like to say it's a triple 2-stroke 750.
Let's take a look.
Yeah. So Johnny, would you like to tell us a bit about what they've done to the engine? We've showed you the paperwork.
Yeah, totally redone everything. It's as you said, it's a 2-stroke engine, 750 cubic inch. This is a 1974 Superbike. They run the strip with this, and they competed with it.
What's the distance of the strip? 250
no, it's 402 meters, I think. And
okay.
it was like, I think it was like 13 seconds or something like
13
that.
seconds.
Yeah,
right.
something like that.
So about the details of the engine block, triple, bit unusual.
Yeah, it's unusual, and that is 2-stroked. So you have to have a lot of RPMs before anything happens. So
right.
to run it is to drive it is like to drive an old turbo machine.
In that it lags.
Yeah, it's like driving a moped in low RPM, and when you accelerate, everything comes at once. So it was back in the days it was called the Widowmaker.
The Widowmaker.
Yeah.
So tell us about how it behaved. You told me how you rode this a long time ago, but tell us about the behavior. Yeah,
the frame is from, they say anyway, that the frame is from the Kawasaki 350 cubic inch, and they put the 750 cubic inch engine on it. So when you drive, when you drive it when you go through corners, everything is giving after, because it's too much power.
So it's wobbling, it's
it's shaking and wobbling, and the last models they put steering damper on it.
Right.
To
To slow down that, or to stiffen up
stiffen up
the steering.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, the chrome is shining, and how about we fill it up and start the engine, take it up for a ride?
Of
So
course.
it's the beginning of October in Sweden, so we have like 2 more weeks. of
Something
fun.
like that.
And then it's winter.
Yeah, before it's totally.
And then you're gonna keep it here during winter.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to come and check out a really beautiful bike, we'll have it in winter storage here at our salon in Stockholm. Thank you.